Let's start. Today we will see how to implement an extended floating action button in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomePage. This is the myHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomePageState. This is _myHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. This is the data member that stores the extended status of the floating action button. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. Here we specify the title of the app bar. The body attribute is set to null because I do not want to show anything inside the body. Below that, we have a floating action button.extended widget. Here we set various attributes of the button like its elevation, background color, icon, label, is extended attribute, etc. When the user clicks the button, the onPressed function gets called, where we adjust the extended status of the button. Let's run the app. As you can see, when I click the button, it extends and goes back to normal on another click. So that's it. That's how you can create an extended floating action button in Flutter Android. Thank you.